this is what I'll be doing for the next half hour. Alright gang, I finished my workout. I did some chores, I vacuumed, had some sort of lunch, showered, shaved my head, shaved my face. I know you can't really see my face though. And I was like, you know what, it's time, we need some fun. And a storm is coming, and holy cow, it's going to rain. But still, I want to go to Disney. So, we're going to Disney together in the rain. I got the umbrella. I will tell you, whenever I pulled in, there was no one following me into the parking lot. This is legitimately the closest I have ever parked at the Magic Kingdom. And we're just gonna walk around and do a few rides and have some fun, because we need it. So, to the Magic Kingdom. Alright, so last time we took the ferry boat to get to the Magic Kingdom. Today we're taking the monorail. I have my own cabin. But let me tell you, like, they got the partition up. There's no one in the other cabin. That's because on this train is a whopping 4 people. And that includes me on here. It's officially raining now. We just made it into the Magic Kingdom. And are you ready for this? This right here is the view that you never get, because it's always so crowded, but especially on a slow day with a pandemic happening and the rain. There is your Main Street USA right there. Isn't that crazy? I have never stood here
and maintain physical distance
at the Royal Mini bench with no one else here but that be it. We made it into Fantasyland, and I think I found where the people are. So this right here, that would be the extended line for Mickey's PhilharMagic. So I'm guessing it's raining and everyone's going to the indoor stuff right now. So yep, that's the line for Mickey's PhilharMagic. All socially distanced and stuff. But yeah, Fantasyland. Looks like that's where the action's at right now. Just over here to the side, you see all that? That is the extended line for Small World. So right back here is the back of the line. Then you go through all of that outside queue before you get to the indoor queue. So yeah, there we go. Everyone just ran to the indoor stuff. Go figure, because everything else is closed. There's a lot more people here today than there was this time last week. I'm in line for Big Thunder Mountain. Probably one of my all-time favorite roller coasters. It stopped raining momentarily. There's no wait time on the wait time sign, and the cast member up front said nothing about it being closed as I entered, so we'll give it a shot.
This here's the wildest ride in the wilderness!
And there's like no one around. It's awesome. It is so good to be back on this ride. Oh my gosh. So I hit that ride just at the right time. As soon as I got off, a giant bolt of lightning just struck. So all the outdoor rides are now closed again. It's just going to rain the rest of the day. But hey, at least I got on that ride. Yeah, let's just keep, oh geez, did you see that lightning? Wow. This little guy was running. He saw some popcorn. Look at the little tail wagon. Let me tell you guys, theme park ducks are the best thing in the world. That's right, you waddle. This is your kind of weather. All right, guys. Between the mask and the humidity, my glasses are just all kinds of fogged right now. But we've yet to get all the steps in that I want to get in today. So let's walk the park and let's do a hyperlapse. Alright gang, overall it was a fun day here at the Magic Kingdom. One ride, lots of walking. That was the whole thing, was to do lots of walking, get the steps in. And now I'm gonna head home. So you know what to do. Subscribe, like, all that good stuff. And gang, I'll see you next time. Take care everyone.